Hey there, my name is Sachin Saulangai, and in this video I'll show you how I install full virtualization server in my mini PC for my home lab server. And in this video I'll show you all these steps. Also, at the end of this video we will access the server through the internet remotely using VPN services. So if you have heard about VMware and VirtualBox and you know what virtual machine is, that's good. But if you don't know about it, so basically virtual machine or virtualization is a technology where you divide and allocate your physical computing resources for multiple different systems. So for example, if you have physical computing such as CPU, RAM, storage and other resources, you can allocate certain resources for a different operating system and other resources for a different operating system. Imagine using Windows and a Linux operating system in the same hardware, and for this to happen we need a virtualization layer which is called hypervisor. So Proxmox is usually used in enterprise environment, whereas we also use VirtualBox and VMware to use it in a normal home lab situation. But in this scenario, in this video, I'll show you how I have set up my home lab server in my mini PC Minis Forum MS-A2. To watch the unboxing, you click the link above. So there are some prerequisites for this video to work. If you have it, you can do it alongside with me, or else you can just have the experience of installing Proxmox in your mini PC. So the first thing is we need a working laptop. The second thing is you need a thumb drive, a USB pen drive with at least 16 gigs of memory. The other thing is your mini PC, which we will turn into a Proxmox virtualization server. And the last thing you need is an internet. So that's all you need for this video for Proxmox virtualization server setup. So the first step is to create bootable USB thumb drive using Proxmox virtual environment ISO file, and you can download it through this official link. And using software like Balena Etcher, you can install it inside your USB thumb drive. All you need to do is download the ISO file and open Balena Etcher, insert your USB thumb drive in your laptop, select your USB thumb drive, select the ISO file and then start. After completion and verification done by Balena Etcher, your USB thumb drive is ready. So now as we have our bootable pen drive ready, we can start installing this to our server. So the second step is to insert the USB drive to the mini PC, and also remember to connect your mini PC with a working router connected through wired internet, so that when the Proxmox server starts working, you can access the web GUI through your browser, through the internet, through local network. So there are very few steps to go through this. So after going through BIOS menu and booting it up using through the pen drive, you can see the options are very simple and smooth. So in a section there you will have to choose the IP address and select the interface where you have connected your router. You can look at the router ports and connected server. So after the restart, now you can see that your Proxmox will start on the IP address that you have allocated it before or during the installation through web UI, and you can access this in your local network right from the beginning. So you can go through your local IP address and access your browser. You have to log in Proxmox web GUI using the credentials you have set up before during your installation. The username is root and the password is the password that you have set previously. So that's it. Now you have a working server at your home using Proxmox virtualization's environment that is used in enterprise environment. So but there is one more problem. You can only access your server when you are connected in the local network. So for you to connect this server remotely using VPN services, we can use services like Tailscale. So you can go and log in or sign up on Tailscale website through this link, and then you can connect your devices by going to administration dashboard, go to devices, and then copy the command and then use this command on your PVE node or your Proxmox virtualization environment node, your Proxmox server. So now you can see that you have an IP address. So now you can see that you have an IP address. Now you can connect your own laptop to this Tailscale through the same step, and then you can access the Proxmox virtual environment, this Proxmox web GUI, through Tailscale IP address as well. So if you use this command sudo tailscale status, you can see all the connected devices, and you can use its IP address to connect through any of the devices remotely through internet, and it's a secured virtual VPN service. So it's your own private network managed by Tailscale. So it's a great service. You can use it anywhere you want. So there you go. We have a working enterprise level home server, Proxmox virtualization server, that can be used to do a lot of stuff. And in future I will be uploading videos related to different services that you can host for yourself and create different lab environments for your practice. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much. More videos coming, and see you next time.